Hi guys, I'm Pavitran from Study Facts, and today we are not meeting with knowledge nor any facts. We are meeting with Pokemon cards. So, what's for delay? Let's open it. Okay, let's open this pack. First, Gengar EX. We have Gengar EX. Let's see what we have. Gengar Rainbow Rarity GX. Let's see here. I'm gonna just put it here. Here. And we have Star Raptor. We have Shadow Lugia. We have wait. Oh my god! See this Arceus. And Alola and Marowak GX. My god, this is. This is Shadow Mew and Mega Mewtwo GX. Okay, next pack. Solgaleo GX and Luxray GX, Altria GX. We have Kofa Eurus GX. I don't know what is that. To be honest, and we have Lurantis GX and oh my god, this is good. Mega Lopunny and Jigglypuff Tag Team. My god, this vintage pack opening I really see. Oh my god, Trio Team. M4 Trio Team. See, Drachani, Dragonite and Dragonite Evo Trio GX. My god, this is I think it's vintage pack opening. Starmie GX. Okay, next pack. We have, let me open it. We have Delibird GX, then Aerodactyl GX, and we have Archicano GX, and we have Charizard and Charizard Tag Trio GX. And my god, this is good. What Kyurem GX and Ho-Oh GX. This is great. Mew and Mewtwo Tag Team GX and Jolteon. We have Jolteon GX. This I really see this is really worth it. For only 75 rupees and see how much we got. Okay, we have Hawlucha GX, Lapras GX, and Black Panther and Umbreon Tag Team GX, Raichu GX, and we have Leafeon and Jolteon, both the same antibody. Let's see what we get. Oh, Chikota, Cyndaquil, and Totodile Tag Trio. And we have Machamp GX. I got this vintage. Last pack. Let's see what we have this time. It's really got back. Ekiapod GX. Glaceon. Let's see. We have Okay. We have Zagre GX. Venus on normal card. This is good. Decidueye. Traverant Discord tag team. Bewear GX. Shadow Luke. My god. This is great. Oh my god. This is nice. See, I'll just put the replay. Bewear GX. Shadow Lugia. Traverant Discord tag team. Decidueye. Venus on normal card. Zagre. Glaceon. Mega Apo GX. Machamp. We have Machamp. Then we have Chikota, Cyndaquil, and Totodile. Here, Tag Trio. Jolteon GX. Leafeon GX. Raichu GX. Black Panther and Umbreon tag team. Lapras GX. Hawlucha GX. Jolteon GX. Mew and Mewtwo tag team GX. Ho-Oh GX. Vycurum GX. Charizard and Charizard tag trio GX. Articuno GX. Aerodactyl GX. Delibird GX. Starmie GX. Dratini, Dragonair and Dragonite GX. Evo Trio. And Evolution Trio. That means Mega Lupani and Jigglypuff tag team. Lurantis GX. Kofa Grigus GX. Altaria GX. Luxray GX. Solgaleo GX. Shadow Mew GX. Mega Mewtwo GX. Alolan Marowak GX. And the most greatest of all time, Arceus GX. My favorite. Shadow Lugia GX. Staraptor GX, Gengar, Rainbow Rat GX, and Gengar EX. So this is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe if you like the content. So this is the end of the video. Bye.